Hello. Can we talk about how to connect AutoCAD to GIS? When you do connect AutoCAD to GIS right now, it's really fast. You pretty much just you know find that in the folders and catalog folders and just drag them in. That's pretty much what you do. Um, but there's only one thing that I want to emphasize is if you want to connect AutoCAD with the CAD, you want to make sure when you draw in AutoCAD, or if you get the AutoCAD file from somebody else or a PDF import. In this case, I import this from PDF, which is all this kind of map from the cities. Um, the issue with all this is they have their own coordinate system, and when you let's say when you if you just like either one, if you put the lines in here, um, like say I zoom to layer. So the issue with all those ones is these are not these lines won't be yes, you can georeference it, but you can only add two control points. That's my point. So when you scale, you can only scale them with the same proportion. Okay, that's let's say you can only scale them. If you scale, you can only scale them like this, the same scale. Okay, you cannot scale them like like this, like change them to another proportion. That's my point down there. So you have to make sure it's correct. um, so you have to understand, make sure the coordinate system are the right coordinate system with the AutoCAD. And I use AutoCAD ArcGIS. The good thing about this is you can add like a pretty much the only benefit is you can add like base map. You can add a base map, assign a base map behind it, and give also assign coordinate system. So in here, and you draw the coordinate system in here, and you just pretty much import in GIS. You can connect that too. Anyway, so my point is when you draw AutoCAD, you have to know what's the coordinate system, and you have to go to ArcGIS. You have to find out the right coordinate system and make sure they line up with each other. Um, and the other thing I find out is a lot of states, government, they all use state plane. Like South Dakota, they use South Dakota state plane. So um, NAD state plane are usually ones that really usual. You know, WGS is definitely most used one, but this South Dakota one, state one are have been used a lot too. Okay, thank